morning. Good morning. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Yes. Good morning, Akanksha. Am I audible? Kavindra, today you came. Good morning. Yesterday also you was there, but no reply from your side. Manoj Korlan, Mahaganathipataye Namah. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to explain you the next problem in 4.3 exercise. The problem is, in a class test, the sum of Shefali marks in mathematics and in English is 30. Mathematics and in English. Marks in maths and in English. Together it is 30 marks. There is a student named Shefali. Her marks in math and English together 30. Had she got 2 more in math and 3 marks less in English, if she got 2 more in math, 3 less in English, if she got 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 less in English, then the product of the marks would be 210. Is 210. Find the marks in mathematics as well as in English. This is the question. Okay, children. We don't know how many marks in mathematics and how many marks in English, but together it is 30 marks. And there is another clue that if she got 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 less in English, then product of marks will be 210. Then we need to find out the marks in both separately. That this be x marks and this is y marks, that x plus y is 30. X plus y is 30. And here x plus 2 into y minus 3 is 210. X plus 2 into y minus 3 is 210. Now from this one, what we can do is y is equal to 30 minus x. That is what we can write. From equation 1, we can write y is equal to 30 minus x. Now what I do? I am going to substitute this y. I am going to replace y with 30 minus x minus 3 is equal to 0, so that we can get a quadratic equation. I am replacing y with 30 minus x. I am replacing y with 30 minus x, so that we can get a quadratic equation. Now you simplify. X plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to not 0, 210. Sorry, it is 210. Now multiply both. 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x is equal to 210. Okay. Now, if you simplify this, what you get? Minus x square plus 25x plus 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. Minus 210 is equal to 0. Now, minus x square plus 25x 54 minus 210 minus 146 156 I think it is 156. It is 156 is equal to 0. Now, children, I am giving you a chance to apply quadratic formula and find out the zeros of x. Do it immediately, fast. What is A, what is B, what is C? Compare this one with the general form. What is A? What is B? What is C? Good morning. Compare with the general form. What is A? A negative 1, B 25, C minus 156. Apply quadratic formula fast and find out the values of x. Apply quadratic formula. Minus b x is equal to minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. మీకు ఒక చిన్న క్లూ చెప్పనా? ఫస్ట్ డూ దిస్ వన్. b square minus 4ac చేసేసేయండి. ఫస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ b square minus 4ac. b square 25 square 625 minus 4 into negative 1 into negative 125. 625 plus 625 plus 156 kada. 625 plus minus kada, minus 2 negatives, minus only. 625 minus 624, that is 1. b square minus 4ac value 1. Now substitute in the formula. X is equal to minus b plus r minus root over 1 by 2a, 2 into minus 1. Okay. Now what we will get? Minus 25 plus 1 by minus 2, minus 25 minus 1 by minus 2. So we will get here 12, 13. 12, 13. Minus 25 plus 1 minus 24. Minus 24 by 2, 12. Minus 2, 12. And minus 25 minus 1 minus 13 by minus 2. Minus 26 by minus 2, 13. So 12 and 13. Now if we take, if x is 12, y is 30 minus 12, 18. If x is 13, y is equal to 30 minus 13, 17. Minus 13. Is it minus 13? Minus 25 plus 1, minus 25 minus 1. Minus 24 by minus 2. Plus 12 na? Both are 12 and 13 na? Minus 24 minus 2, 12. Minus 26 by minus 2, 13. B is 25 na? So how it will be negative 13? So if marks in mathematics is 12, then English is 18. If marks in mathematics is 13, then English is 17. In both the cases 12 plus 8 is 30, 13 plus 17 30. Now add 2 maths. 12 plus 2 14. 18 minus 3 15. So 14 15 there to 10 only. So we have both two possibilities here. Okay, children. Yeah, next question. Next question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters. 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. There is a rectangular field. This is a diagonal. This is shorter side and this is longer side. Okay. This is rectangular field. This is longer side, this is shorter side and this is diagonal. What is given? Shorter side, longer side, diagonal. Okay. There is a relation, clues are given. What is that? Diagonal is 60 more than shorter side. Longer side is also 30 more than shorter side. Means these two lengths depends upon shorter side. That is what we have to understand. If we know shorter side, we can find out the longer side and diagonal. Because diagonal is 60 meters more than shorter side and the longer side is also 30 meters more than shorter side. Okay, na? Now what I take? Let the shorter side be x meters. Then longer side x plus 30 and diagonal x plus 60. That means this is x plus 30, this is x and this is x plus 60. Okay. Shorter side, longer side, diagonal. These three In a rectangle, they form a right angle triangle. According to Sanvi, what we have to do? We need to apply Pythagoras theorem. We need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Do it. X square plus x plus 30 whole square is equal to x plus 60 whole square. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Children, simplify it and tell me the quadratic equation. Simplify and tell me the quadratic equation, children. I think it is easy only. X square plus x square plus 60x plus 900 is equal to x square plus 120x plus 3600. You can cancel one x square. So remaining is x square plus 60x minus 120x plus 900 minus 3600 is equal to 0. Right, Sanvi? Now when you simplify this, what will you get? X square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Apply quadratic formula and find out the zeros. I am not going to tell you after this because you can simplify on your own. Is that right, children? Can I move to the next problem? I think you will simplify this by using quadratic formula. A is 1, B is negative 60, C is negative 2700. Apply quadratic formula and find out the value of x. Is that right, children? Only 12 people joined today. Why? Very less. Very less. Okay, next. Next question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. There are two numbers. Difference of their squares is 180. Difference of their squares is 180. Okay. Then the square of smaller number, x square minus y square is 180, that means y is the smaller number. So second condition is given as the square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. That was the second condition given over there. The square of smaller number. Since x square minus y square is 180, we can clearly understood that we can clearly understand that y is a smaller number and x is a greater number. So second condition is given as square of smaller number is equal to 8 times the larger number. So that means y square is equal to 8x. Now what we have to do? X square minus, instead of y square I write 8x is equal to 180. X square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Compare this one with the general form. Compare this one with the general form and find out the values of roots of the given quadratic equation. Find out the roots of quadratic equation. It is clearly given that difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Difference of squares of two numbers. Let the two numbers be x and y. So x square minus y square given as 180. Okay. Y square, and second condition is square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. అయితే ఇక్కడ ఏది స్మాల్ ఏది లార్జర్ అనేది తెలుసుకోవడమే ఇంపార్టెంట్. Since we have this equation x square minus y square is 180, clearly we can say that x is greater number and y is smaller number. Okay. Now, what is A, what is B, what is C? A is 1, B is negative 8, C is negative 180. First calculate B square minus 4AC. Then substitute in the formula. Calculate B square minus 4AC value. (64 minus of 4 into 1 into minus 180). 64 plus how much? 0, 32, 720. It is 784. B square minus 4AC is 784, which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square. Okay, children, after that you can do it. Next question. Akansha, send the absentees list immediately after this class. Yeah. 8th question. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. Distance is given 360 kilometers. Speed is not given. At a uniform speed, he said. So we need to assign a variable for speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. If the speed is increased by 5 kilometers per hour, then the journey time will be decreased by 1 hour. We need to calculate the speed of the train. Yeah. Distance is given 360 kilometers. Let the speed is x kilometers per hour. And time taken is y hours. Time taken is y hours. Okay. Now we know that distance is equal to speed into time. So x into y is equal to 360. This is equation 1. X into y is equal to 360. Now what happened? Speed is increased by 5 kilometers per hour. That means previously it is x kilometers per hour. Now it is increased by 5 kilometers. That means the total speed becomes x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Then time taken for the journey is decreased by 1 hour less. Time taken for the journey is decreased by 1 hour. Means previously it is y hours, now it is y minus 1 hours. Okay children? But distance will not change, na? X plus y into y minus 1 is equal to 360 only. X plus y into y minus 1 is equal to 360. Distance doesn't change, na? Speed increase avachchu, time తగ్గచ్చు, కానీ distance మారదు కదా. There is no change in the distance. Now from this equation what I can do is y is equal to 360 by x. We can write like that. Y is equal to 360 by x from equation 1. Now substitute that one here. X plus y into 360 by x minus 1 is equal to 360. If you take LCM and simplify, x plus y into 360 minus x by x is equal to 360. Now you can send this x to that side. So what it becomes? X plus 5 into 360 minus x is equal to 360x. X ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ లో ఉంది, అవతలకి వెళ్తే మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. Now simplify and write the quadratic equation there fast. Simplify and write the quadratic equation children fast. I am waiting for your answer. అదే నంబర్ సింప్లిఫై చేసి చెప్పాలి. అదే అలాగే 360x minus x square plus 1800 minus 5x is equal to 360x. 360x cancel అయిపోతుంది. So what is remaining? Minus x square minus 5x plus 1800 is equal to 0. మర్చిపోతున్నారు అందరూ. You are not writing is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. అక్కడ 360x క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే ఇంకేముంటుంది అక్కడ 0 ఉండదా. So when you multiply LHS and RHS with -1, it becomes x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Multiply the numerator means multiply the LHS and RHS with -1. -1 into -x square positive x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now compare this one. A1, B5, C negative 1800. Apply quadratic formula and find out the value of x. Yeah. So Darshapudi says that x is 40. Means speed is 40. Speed of the train is 40 kilometers per hour. That time taken is 9 hours. 360 by 40, 9 hours. Then if the speed is 45, 8 hours. That's all. 1 hour less. Okay. That's all for today. Again we'll meet tomorrow morning 10 only, no evening. Tomorrow and day after means half an hour classes only. In these holidays we'll have only half an hour classes. Tomorrow also morning 10 o'clock, half an hour. No evening class. And day after tomorrow also same. No evening class, half an hour in the morning. Okay. So Akanksha, send the names immediately. Okay, bye Nana. Today Mahaganadipati.